Hi guys, Dr. Christy Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion. Today for our whole bodies. If you're short on time, if you need some blood flow, this workout combines both mobility and strength, so you're getting it all, and it's perfect to do at any time of the day. All right, let's get started. No equipment needed. We're going to step right back into a lunge. As we do that, our arms are going to pull down to our side. So we're going to bring our arms overhead, step back into that lunge, squeeze those shoulder blades, bring those elbows down, step it together. We're going to do 10 on each side. That's 2. So warming up our legs, activating those nice big leg muscles, our postural muscles, our shoulders, lots of things going on in this one. That's a good thing. If you need a little bit more blood flow going, a little bit more loosening, great time before you start to pull out that derma edge and do just a quick little sweep of the body to get things flowing a little bit better. I'll link that for you guys too. One more on this side. And switching sides. If you cannot step back into a lunge, I'm going to go this way for you. It's okay to just step back. 2. If you can, great. And it's okay if you don't make it a giant lunge either, right? Listen to your bodies. That's really important. Here's 5, 6. We're going to have a couple more lunge poses besides this. 7, 8, 9. We got balance here too. And 10. Good. Okay, holding that lunge, arms are going to come up. I'm going to grab onto this left wrist. And I'm going to give myself a nice side body stretch. Lots of balance going on here too. Just for a breath or two. And then I'm going to switch. Other arm's going to come up, other leg behind. Right leg behind, right arm overhead. Awesome. Good. Almost there with these lunges, but not quite. You're going to hold that lunge this time. Arms are going to start out in front, and I'm going to open, hey, stop, right? And hold here. 4, we're going to have a tiny little pulse too for more fun. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But wait, there's more. We're going to rotate in the other direction, which is more difficult balance-wise. 10 more pulses here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Step it together. Of course, the other side. So here we go. I'm going to rotate towards you guys again first. Here we go. Open up as much as you can for these 10 pulses. Here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to stay tall. And 10. Other way. Ooh, this might be harder balance-wise for me on this direction. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Quads here for sure. 8, 9, and 10. Okay. We're going to come with those feet nice and wide. I'm going to bring my hands up again. Steeple those fingers together. And this is actually just a nice little stretch break right here for those hip flexors. At least it sure is for me. Again, just a nice little pause. We're stretching those arms too. You don't have to clasp if it doesn't feel good. All right, and I'm going to bring those hands to the center. This time I'm going to turn those toes out. I'm going to come down. And from here, I'm going to give 10 little pulses. Okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay down. Now try to lift those toes. Oh my goodness, my right leg is tired. Lift those heels up, and same idea with these little pulses. Here's 1, 2. Obviously put your heels down if you need to. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. 9. I didn't expect to be this shaky. 10. Heels come down. Hands go not on your knees, but on those thighs. We're going to dip one shoulder in. Keep those knees pressed out. Oh, feels so good. Little snap, crackle, pop right through that spine too. I almost fall over. Oh boy. Get a few more in here. I do love this one. It gets the neck, the back, obviously those inner thighs too. Awesome. Okay. You are going to bring those toes back forward. I'm going to face this way. You're going to clasp those hands behind the back. If that hurts, just get them, behind here a little bit is okay too. We're gonna add that forward fold. I'm keeping my knees straight. You can have a little bend. Shift those hips back. It's okay if you don't come down all the way, right? Go to your comfort level. Let that head hang. And then if possible, you're gonna bring those arms up and over for a fantastic chest stretch. Obviously hamstrings, back of the legs. This is gonna look funny, but it's a good one. Stay in this position. Try to shift those hips back, and you're gonna give me some little squats like this. There's 1. 2, you may notice that you get a little bit more range of motion as you go. 3, 4, 5, 6, it does look funny. 7, 8, sometimes my family wonders what the heck I'm doing when I'm practicing these things, and 10. All right, I'm gonna face you guys again. We're gonna go into a narrow squat this time. I'm gonna bring my arms up and I'm gonna squeeze it together. Work those chest muscles a little and come back up. There's 1, 2, sitting that butt back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're almost there. A couple more to go of exercises. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, keep those arms out to the side. Still working in through those shoulders. We're gonna pulse those arms out to the side and pulse that knee up for 20 on each side. Lots of balance, lots of strength, especially in those hip flexors. Here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Same arm movement, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ending with my favorite, and I think it is the hardest one just because it requires a lot of balance. So hang on to something for this one if you need to. You're gonna cross one leg over that thigh. If this feels like the place you want to start here. Otherwise, you're going to come on down, and we're even going to make this a little bit more difficult because why not? So stay here if that feels comfortable. Again, hang on to something if you need to, or we're going to add in little single leg squats. We're going to try to, at least I'm going to try to. Hopefully you're trying to as well. There's 3, 4, I'm not sure if you can tell, but my leg's definitely shaking. 5, oh my goodness. See, it happens. I should have something sturdy to hold on to. 6, and honestly, I am going to say, even if you do this one and you need something to hold on to, I'd rather you do that than your knee wobbling all over the place, okay? Focus on what feels good to you. I totally lost count here, but I think it's 1 more. And then switch sides. Okay, we're almost there. I don't know which side's going to be worse. Okay. Here we go. And sometimes I obviously, put my arms out to the side to try to help me balance a little bit. Yep, both legs are shaky today. There's 2. I'll blame it on the coffee, but I don't think that's it. 3, 4, 5. I don't know what I'm doing with my arms now either. Just trying to balance. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Awesome job.